Think you can't make money online because you don't have a product or a big following? Here's the truth, you don't need either. Affiliate marketing lets you partner with proven products and earn commissions every time someone buys through your link. And with John Turnhill's webinar profit engine, you can do it without creating anything yourself. This system is completely done for you. You get access to a proven 7-figure webinar funnel, 99 days of automated email follow ups, and even traffic generation training to help you start driving visitors right away. You don't have to host webinars, make videos, or write sales page. It's already built and optimized to convert. All you do is plug in your affiliate link, send traffic to the funnel, and let the automation handle the rest. You can literally have everything set up in about 30 minutes. No tech skills, no experience needed. Once it's running, the system promotes, follow ups, and sells for you automatically 24/7. So if you want to start earning affiliate commissions, even if you're starting from zero, click the link in the description to get access to the webinar profit engine and see how this proven system can help you start earning fast. Because you don't need an audience or a product, you just need a system that already works.